everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make buta no misozuke yaki. It's pork marinated in miso. You need to wait while you marinate, but other than that, it's so quick and easy. It's great for meal, but it's also great for lunchbox because it's delicious even after it gets cold. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this buta no misozuke yaki, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 slices of pork loin, 4 tablespoons of miso, 2 tablespoons each of mirin and sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons each of grated garlic, grated ginger and soy sauce. Let's make the miso mixture first. You just need to combine everything in one bowl. Miso, sugar, sake, mirin, soy sauce, garlic and ginger. Give it a mix. And the miso mixture is ready. And pork. There is a tendon running here between the meat and the fat. So let's cut it off so the pork doesn't curl up while it's being cooked. So let's just cut here all the way. On both sides. Like this. Then, using the back side of the knife or meat mallet, beat the pork to tenderize. Let's put the miso mixture. Make sure the pork is coated with the miso mixture on both sides. Cover it with plastic film. And let it sit in the fridge, at least half an hour, if possible, overnight. It's been marinated for 2 hours, so it's time to cook them. Heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan and put the pork into the frying pan as you remove the miso mixture. The heat is medium. cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook for 3 minutes. Let's flip them over and cook the other side. Two to 3 minutes with the lid on. It's well cooked on both sides. So let's take them out on the cutting board. And put the remaining miso mixture into the frying pan. Cook it down and thicken it. Okay, nice and glossy. So the sauce is done. I'm using chopsticks to eat. So let's cut them into strips so that it's easy to have it with chopsticks. And let's serve it with some salad. I'm serving it with some shredded cabbage, but you can serve it with any salad you like. So some salad here. And the pork. And don't forget to put this delicious sauce. And Buta no Misozuke Yaki is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Enzyme in miso tenderize the pork and it's so soft. And pork loin can be a little bit too lean sometimes depending on how you cook it. But thanks to the thick miso sauce, it's so rich. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Buta no Misozuke Yaki is the main, so it goes here, and the salad I served with replaces one of the side dishes. Plain rice here, and sweet potato miso soup or any soup you like here. Let's have some pickles here to refresh your palate, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.